The purpose of my life today, I mean on 15th of July 2024, after morning prayer, an idea came into my mind to write something about the purpose of my life according to the teaching of Quran. As in Al Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decreed in Surah Az-Zariyat, ayat number 56, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, and Surah Al-Hijr, ayat number 99, وَعْبُدْ رَبَّكَ حَتَّى يَأْتِيَكَ الْيَقِينُ. So I have given these lines the shape of English poetry. These lines might not be according to the standard of English poetry. However, I have given these lines, these ideas as shape of English poetry. The lines are, the title is The Purpose of My Life. Prayer is the purpose of my life. Prayer is the purpose of my life, for that the given times are 5. Prayer is the purpose of my life, for that given times are 5. The universe was created to praise. The universe was created to praise to the Master who gave her a definite face. To the Master who gave her a definite face. I am a being and a question. I am a being and a question to solve. The perplexity induced in me to evolve. The perplexity induced in me to evolve. The hope of salvation. The hope of salvation I ever follow. The sip of the patience. The sip of the patience I need to swallow. The sip of the patience I need to swallow. The life supports me till a particular moment. The life supports me till a particular moment. Then I will be forced for the final moment. Then I will be forced for the final moment. The last verse is, some people call me Muhammad. Some people call me Muhammad. The others call as Shokat. Rather, I am a soul with flesh, etc. etc. in a packet. Rather, I am a soul with flesh, etc. in a packet. Prayer is the purpose of my life, for that the given times are 5. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.